Hello, friends. Hi, you guys. It's Mary again with some notes from Mary's Cooking School. You know, I am really focusing on helping you guys learn the basics, just, good, important survival stuff. And part of that is cannabis medicine. Even if you haven't tried it yet, cannabis has been around forever. We have an endocannabinoid system. It's medicine and it's lovely, and you don't need a lot. And I want to tell you about, my cooking weed, Everyday Mary J cooking weed, because this is such a great way to get your medicine. And people that have never tried cannabis before, maybe a gummy before bed, right? Or maybe a little half a joint in the afternoon, and they're amazed. I'm so relaxed. I sleep so well. I'm just here to tell you guys, it's great medicine, and I've made it simple for you to use. So when you get to your dispensary, ask them for Everyday Mary J cooking weed. And if they don't have it, they can get it from Anonymous Buffalo. Now, the reason I did this, with the company, is because I got well using cannabis medicine. I was on disability and I had to use a cane, and now I don't. So I want to show you how easy this is. First of all, you open up the little bag and there's a bag inside. Now this is half an ounce of really nice middle of the road cannabis ready to go. But what you have to do before you do anything with your cannabis is you have to decarboxylate it. You have to heat it to remove a carboxyl group. So you toss this, we'll put it on a cookie sheet. Put it in your oven, 240, 250 for about half an hour, and then you're good to go. And this, 1,400 milligrams of medicine right here, you guys. So if you have a double boiler, like I do, it's great. And if you don't have a double boiler, just do the old bowl over a pan with water in it. You don't want it to boil. You want to be gentle with your cannabis medicine. But this makes it so easy, because once you've had your oil or your butter for a couple hours, with this in there, then you just squeeze this and toss it out. So you don't have to sieve it. It makes it a lot easier. So going forward, you guys, life is weird right now, and it's getting weirder. And if there's anything we can do to help ourselves, I think we need to do it. And that's why I'm telling you, get some Everyday Mary J cooking weed. Look on my website for some recipes and try it out. It's so easy. It's like making tea, only with fats and cannabis. So Everyday Mary J cooking weed is going to be your friend, okay? And if you need any more info, it's mary@maryjwhite.com. J is an initial, okay? So check it out, maryjwhite.com, and make your own medicine. Okay, that's all. Thanks, you guys.